malinaw po tayo. So when we talk about employees welfare, dito po siya. Pag members welfare, ito naman siya. Huwag po natin siya
you go with a, kumbaga, in tuto. Okay? It is not underbutting. So,
policy, which means lahat ng finance-related, isang code sila. So, ang zero na pala sa 01, 02, lahat ng finance.
Usually ang nagre-review management, diba? So, pag na-review ng management yun, yung matrix kanina, current, tapos may nag-communication naman. And then yung document yun, yun ang mismo, yung pinag-take on namin sa board for this.
If I am the next board, I know kung saan ako mag-start. So, halimbawa, revision 1 na, so number 2 ako. And an effective date nandoon din yun sa document. It's up to the organization kung
for formulation. Then membership. Under the category of membership is the membership policy that is existing and for review, and the amendment also for existing and for review.
Dokumento na orient sila at naintindihan nila. Kung wala akong ganun, pwedeng yung policy ikot sa mga empleyado per unit. Tapos bigla pa ko sila. Na-receive at nabasa ko at naintindihan ko yung policy na to. Nakalagay ang firma nila.
Because even if the board of directors are the policy making body of the cooperative, the General Assembly is still the supreme force behind, because the General Assembly
kailangan mong i-propose sa unang-una ang board mismo mag-propose. Then, approval is assembly. So,
Logo naman pala. So kasama po yun sa data gathering. Alamin, what is the direction of the board? Because ang responsibility ng board is to provide policy direction.